Let's double check just local updates for MON targets updates with my customer care set. So guys, MON going straight with initiation accumulation pump model to the first zone of interest. Believe you or not, but after listing almost every single token led to the first zone to buy and to the second one, invalidation if the token drop on the listing price. So the model still in play. I hope so we not drop to the next zone, because from now it's going to be over than 50% drop, 57, and in general drop will be over than 129%, not 57 if we count correct, because the people count totally wrong the percentage. So token can't physically going down over than 99.9%. But it doesn't mean if the token dump 90%, it doesn't mean it can't drop another 90% from the first zone, or from the second zone, from the third one. So guys, counts from the lowest entry to the current moment. For example, if you want to count the how many gains we need to recover back. So we need to drop, we can't drop 57%, but to recover back at your break even, we need to pump 129. It's totally different gains in percentage. So that's the point, guys. That's the problem with the math, in the crypto space when the people count. That's why when people count Celestia from $20 to 60 cents, it's like not a big deal. It's just 90% drop. 90% up and we recover back. No, 90% up, it's going to be just only $1.20. So that's a problem, guys. That's a problem how the crypto space not count correctly the drops. Yeah, that's why the influencer always show you to buy the deep. It's so easy, right? So initiation accumulation pump model still in place. So we dump it to the first zone to buy this one. Where that one? Here, this one. So we dump it and now rejected 23. So to continue put the price higher, we need to go 18 level by fee. So this is not a mistake, guys. If you buy in here by limit order, even at 1 cent exactly by limit order, based on this model, 1 cent, 77 and 4, here you need to withdraw initial deposit 100% based on this strategy. You just follow the rules, follow the steps, and you follow the strategy. Withdraw initial deposit, leave the free tokens, and the right to the moon if you believe in the model, right? So the next zone is here. If you want to accumulate step by step, you buy in here, not tied to tokens, because you wait the zone. All right, so the next purchase can be here, and your average entry will be like 1 cent 33. Invalidation of idea, if we dump on the listing price on the buy beat, on other exchanges, it's going to be the different listing prices, 0.205. Maybe even at 0.205, maybe even I will open long with second leverage for MON. Now I don't want to tie this token. All right. Let's double check, guys, what's going on now with indicator SAM. Daily time frame, no data for take profit indicator 4 hour time frame here. We touch it buy line, bounce it. Now we can reject it at take profit line. Take profit line, and now it's 2 cents 79. Exit line is 3 cents 15. That's why I highly recommend you just add alert, wait, don't gamble, don't touch the token if you don't see the factors to open. So here was a test of the buy line and 4 time frame. We came into the first zone to buy. It was logical to open trade, and even now, if you get that trade with second leverage, it's 100% profit. Amazing. All right, next one, ADZ direction dashboard. Highly recommend you use this brand new indicator what I just add recently here. So what we can see just on the dashboard, 4 hour time frame ADZ overbought, definitely. So here is overbought. Direction overbought but not a sell. Market mood in euphoria, no RSI divergence, no MACD divergence, nothing. All right, so we can close it. This is not a time to end, definitely, but we can zoom out and take a look. Oh, kind of weird, but 12 time frame also distribution. It was accumulation, this is distribution, this is around the distribution. So up to you guys. Daily still got a room for pump. Direction still got room for pump. But the worst case, guys, if we'll see something like this one, it's going to be the bad case scenario. But I hope the January Santa rally we will see, and spring also will be the green one for us. So we will see something like this one. And it's going to be the wait and see. And something like this one, and crashing down after that into bear market. But we will talk about upside levels over the all-time high when we pass the minus 0.61 level of FIB. Until we trade in this range, we just use the initiation accumulation pump model and work from level to level. All right, let's close this one. Direct market mood. A3 on the daily 12 time frame. Here it was another reason, you need to like combine the factors why you can buy. So we landed to a first zone to buy by logical entry, right? We are on 12 time frame in capitulation zone. It's good to entry. We are at the buy line on 4 time frame. So three reasons, right, to buy the token. So you combine it, everything in a complex, work in a complex, and made a decision. With a stop loss or without, if you accumulate for a long run. Here also, accumulation on 12 time frame. Accumulation was a money inflow December 18. Now money outflow. So it's not a mistake to fix the profit. For example, if you open that with a second leverage, imagine if you open that trade with a 10x. So now it's a 50%, so it's 500% gains, right? Right, so it's amazing gains. So fix the profit. Now it's some money outflow on 4 time frame. So some whales, some big guys fix the profit. So it means the money outflow from the MON. For now, money power. I showed you the trade on the last indicator, guys. What we can see 4 time frame. Take profit from the sales. Buy. Last one, buy. Recommendation, close position. Here was a take profit. Now sell step by step. 12 time frame, still no data, no signals. So like conclusion, guys, zones relevant. Highly recommend you go and check the first video about this token. Highly recommend you go and check the video how to work with the initiation accumulation pump model, totally for free. If you would like to trade with my customer care set, just write me the DM. And don't forget, Joe Montecom Show. See you next time, guys.